Alright, welcome everyone to the Tengku Arif Buana Perkasa YouTube channel. Without realizing it, today we are entering another red date. I hope wherever you are always healthy. So, what are we going to do today? As we all know, today is International Labor Day atau May Day gitu ya. May Day, iya 1 Mei gitu ya. So, happy commemoration of International Labor Day everyone. My workers both in Indonesia and the world always be happy. Hidup buruh, hidup pekerja gitu ya kata orang. Pasti kalian heran, tadi kenapa saya pakai bahasa Inggris gitu ya? Kenapa tiba-tiba anak nih ngomong bahasa Inggris gitu ya? Nah, jadi karena hari ini kita akan melakukan lagi yang namanya simulasi tes TOEFL prediction gitu. Surely you are wondering why I suddenly use English in this video. Oke ya, cuma di awal sih, di akhirnya kayaknya enggak gitu ya. Okay, because today we will do a special May Day TOEFL prediction test simulation gitu ya. Jadi hari ini kita akan kembali untuk tes TOEFL prediction simulasi ya. Udahlah simulasi, tes prediksi TOEFL prediction lagi ya. Nah, jadi inilah yang kira-kira kita akan lakukan hari ini gitu ya. Jadi apa yang akan kita lakukan hari ini? Jadi kita tahu hari ini adalah hari buruh. Today is a May Day. So, hari buruh, ngomong buruh pasti kalian tuh tentunya pekerjaan ya. Yang namanya buruh tuh pasti identik dengan pekerjaan, kerja kata orang gitu kan. Nah, karena pekerjaan ini kadang kita dituntut untuk bisa berbahasa internasional, contohnya kayak English atau Mandarin misalnya, tapi untuk video ini cuma Inggris karena saya tidak pandai bahasa Mandarin. Jadi ya biasalah ya, untuk naik pangkat, untuk dapat promosi jabatan kan harus pandai bahasa internasional gitu kan. Apapun pekerjaannya gitu kan. Ya ada sih pekerjaan yang tidak dituntut, tapi ya anyways, jadi makanya hari ini kita akan melakukan simulasi tes TOEFL prediction. Sebagaimana dua bulan yang lalu saya juga sudah mengerjakannya gitu ya. Silahkan ditonton lagi untuk video yang 11 April sama 10 April. Ini edisi lebaran, edisi April. Jadi aturan mainnya pada hari ini kita hanya akan melakukan simulasi tes TOEFL prediction dari listening comprehension sampai reading comprehension lengkap gitu ya. Kemudian ya udah, itu mirip streaming, mirip seperti streaming tapi bukan game gitu ya. Kalian kan biasa tuh lihat-lihat orang streaming main Mobile Legend atau main Among Us. Kan bukan berarti orang tersebut ahli Among Us atau ahli Mobile Legend ya. Mungkin ada yang ahli Mobile Legend, tapi kan kadang-kadang ada juga tuh yang ahli Mobile Legend dia nge-troll gitu kan kata orang. Jadi dia sebenarnya pandai tapi pura-pura nggak pandai gitu kan biar lucu-lucuan gitu. Atau dia sebenarnya nggak pandai-pandai kali tapi hanya untuk buat konten aja. Nah, saya yang ada di posisi kedua itu gitu ya. Nah, jadi saya peringatkan, pada video ini no answer keys, no explanation, just my prediction score from website. Ya, nanti di website itu dikasih tahu saya skornya berapa. Itu pun skor prediksi, bukan skor yang benar-benar skor sesuai ketentuan yang ada di TOEFL gitu ya. Nah, mungkin video seperti ini saya upload 1-2 kali setiap bulannya. Tergantung lah, kan saya tidak janji, saya bilangnya cuma mungkin gitu ya. Tapi tampaknya iya, jadi kan bulan April kemarin saya upload 2 kan. Nah, besoknya, bulan ini, bulan Mei, nanti saya upload lagi 2 sepertinya. Nah, kita lihat aja lah nanti ya. Nah, kalau kalian penasaran mau melihat simulasi-simulasi tes yang sudah saya lakukan di channel saya, silakan lihat di sini ada playlistnya, Test Simulation Series. Jadi seri simulasi tes gitu ya. Kalian bisa lihat di situ. Saya mungkin tes UKBI, tes TOEFL, tes CPNS mungkin, tapi bukan tes beneran ya. Maksudnya kayak ya tryout aja gitu. Nah, jadi peringatan aja untuk video ini hanya untuk bersenang-senang sambil kalian menemani saya mengerjakan TOEFL prediction di internet. Kemudian ini bukan video memberikan tips, kursus, atau apapun yang sejenis dengan itu. Nah, hanya mengerjakan tok. Jadi ibaratnya tuh saya hanya mengerjakan TOEFL, kalian tonton, ya udah kayak mirip streaming game gitu, kayak streaming main FIFA misalnya. Kan kalian kan main streaming game main FIFA kan kadang-kadang ya lihat aja orang main FIFA belum tentu menang, belum tentu kalah gitu. Sama juga seperti ini, belum tentu skor saya tinggi, belum tentu skor saya rendah gitu ya. Jadi this content just to entertain only, not for academic purposes ya. Jadi rating video ini saya berikan A1 di sudut kiri bawah thumbnail, kalian sudah tahu itu A1 ya. Jadi bagian tidak tahu apa itu A1, jadi adanya di sini ya, extremely limited educational content atau entertainment only gitu ya. Jadi saya tidak akan memberikan materi kuliah atau apapun lah di video ini, hanya untuk bersenang-senang aja. Jadi saya hanya meluangkan waktu untuk tes TOEFL, melatih saya juga gitu kan. Nah, nanti kalian silahkan tinggalkan di kolom komentar pada detik keberapa atau menit keberapa saya melakukan kesalahan. Nah, mungkin kita bisa belajar atau diskusi dari sana gitu ya. Oke, jadi edukasi atau tidak edukasinya video ini itu tergantung Anda semua gitu ya. Oke. Nah, ini untuk video C1, C2, dan D ya. Jadi kita hanya video A1 aja pada hari ini. Oke, ayo kita mulai tanpa berlama-lama lagi. Kita langsung saja untuk memulai video pada kali ini ya. Oke, seperti biasa TOEFL itu bermula dari listening test. Maka kita mulai dari listening test ya, listening comprehension ya. Kita mulai di listening comprehension. Oke, mari kita kerjakan.
Number 1. When is your art class?
It begins tonight.
What does the woman mean?
Saya terkejut ya, ternyata ini audionya sama seperti waktu saya tes yang pertama gitu ya. Yang kalau kalian lihat videonya, tapi ya udah nggak apa-apa, kan kalian kan yang nonton video ini kan belum tentu nonton video ya saya yang sebelumnya gitu ya, jadi ya udah nggak apa-apa.
Number 2.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Would you like me to bring that with the dessert? Who is the man most likely to be? Number 3.
Have you seen Ellen?
She drove to the shopping center. What does the man say about Ellen? Number 4.
Why are you so upset with Bill?
Because he didn't tell me the truth.
What does the woman say about Bill? Number 5.
These prices are really good.
I'll say.
What does the man mean? Number 6.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear what you said.
Please pay better attention.
What does the man want the woman to do? Number 7.
Look how hard it's raining.
Let's stay inside today.
What does the woman suggest? Number 8.
Who made the decision?
The decision was made by the judge.
What does the man mean? Number 9.
Did you finish that long chemistry problem?
No, I was unable to solve it.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
How about if we stay here tonight and watch television?
But I don't want to stay home.
What does the man want to do? Number 11.
Can you tell me when the term paper for this course is due?
In the last week of the semester.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 12.
Where's Hank?
He's in the pool.
What does the woman imply about Hank? Number 13.
I'm always so tired during the day.
Why don't you get a little more sleep at night?
What does the man suggest? Number 14.
Have you read the chapter for today?
I tried, but it wasn't easy to get through.
What does the woman mean? Number 15.
Are you having much success with your garden?
No, there are too many rocks in the soil.
What does the man mean? Number 16.
This weather is incredibly beautiful.
You can say that again.
What does the woman mean? Number 17.
Have you figured out the problem with my car?
Yes, the engine needs to be tuned up.
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 18.
I hope you enjoyed your lunch.
That sandwich was really tasty.
What does the woman mean? Number 19.
Is Marie feeling better now?
Yes, she's finally feeling quite healthy.
What does the man imply about Marie? Number 20.
I'm really having problems in this psychology class.
Why don't you see your professor during her office hours?
What does the woman suggest to the man? Number 21.
Why are you saving your money?
I'd like to buy a house at the beach.
What does the man mean? Number 22.
I think Sally really said some mean things.
So do I.
What does the man mean? Number 23.
Can you turn the stereo up? I can't really hear it.
The music is a little soft.
What does the man mean? Number 24.
What happened when you gave Larry the present?
He thanked me over and over.
What does the woman say about Larry? Number 25.
Can I help you?
I'd like to check in, please. I need a single room for one night.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 26.
I really like these photos of my hometown.
Why don't you put them up on the wall?
What does the woman suggest? Number 27.
Does Carl know about the meeting?
I'll have to let him know about it.
What does the woman mean? Number 28.
Why was your textbook cheaper than mine?
Mine wasn't new.
What does the man mean? Number 29.
What did the teacher just say? I didn't hear it.
She announced that she would be giving an exam soon.
What does the man mean? Number 30.
How often does the government conduct a census?
Once each decade.
What does the woman mean? Questions 31 through 34. Listen as two friends discuss a meeting of the ski club.
Hi, Jack.
Hi, Wanda. Where are you rushing to?
I'm heading for a meeting of the ski club. It starts at 3 o'clock.
The ski club?
Yes, the ski club. Do you want to come along?
What does the ski club do?
Well, you get to know other people who enjoy skiing, listen to lectures and presentations on skiing techniques and equipment, and best of all, plan skiing trips. Doesn't that sound good?
It does sound great, but I don't exactly know how to ski very well.
That doesn't matter. You don't have to know how to ski. You just have to want to learn how to ski.
That sounds like my kind of club. I guess I'll come along with you and try it.
We've got to hurry. It's almost 3 o'clock.
Number 31. What time does the meeting begin? Number 32. What do people do at ski club meetings?
Plan atau ski aja ya? Plan kayaknya.
Number 33. What problem does the man have? Number 34. What will the man probably do next? Questions 35 through 38. Listen as a man and woman discuss a new type of fast food packaging.
I was reading an article in the paper about a new type of fast food packaging. It's really great.
What's so great about this packaging for fast food?
What's great is that the packaging is edible.
Edible?
That's right. With this new packaging, you can go to a fast food restaurant, order a burger and fries, and then eat the wrappings that the burger and fries came in.
So you'd be eating paper?
Oh no. The wrappers sort of look and feel like paper, but they're really made from things like soybeans, corn, flour.
It sounds like the wrappers might be even better for you than the fast food.
Iya sih.
Number 35. Where did the man learn about the new fast food packaging?
Oh alah lupa. Tadi dia dapatnya dari mana ya? Newspaper kayaknya ya.
Number 36. What is interesting about the new fast food packaging?
You can eat it.
Number 37. What is used to make the fast food packaging?
Corn.
Number 38. What does the woman think about the new fast food packaging?
It might be healthier than the food.
Questions 39 through 42. Listen to a guide on a bus tour.
I'm sure you all enjoyed that trip along the Grand Canyon and the Colorado River. It's quite amazing, isn't it? The next stop on our tour is the Petrified Forest. This is a huge desert forest that is not exactly made of trees. You see, the trees are so old that they've fallen and have turned into stone. They look just like fallen logs, but they're no longer made of wood. Instead, they're made of beautifully colored stone, such as jasper, agate, carnelian, and onyx. It's unbelievable to see all of these fallen trees from a distance, and then up close, see that they're really stone and not wood. When we arrive at the petrified forest, please be sure to keep in mind that it's against the law to take any petrified wood out of the forest with you. You may think about picking up just a tiny little piece, but please don't do it.
Okay.
Number 39. Where have they just been? Number 40. Where are they heading now?
Oh, oke. Di tes yang asli kita nggak bisa back kayak gini ya. Grand Canyon.
Number 41. What has happened to the wood? Number 42. What does the man ask them not to do? Questions 43 through 46. Listen to a talk by a university student advisor.
You're all seniors now, and you should all be graduating in June at the end of this school year. But now, at the beginning of your senior year, you have a couple of things to remember in order to graduate in June. First of all, you need to fill out a request to graduate form. You should fill this form out and turn it in to your advisor. You need to do this by December if you want to graduate in June. The second thing you need to do is to order your cap and gown. During the graduation ceremony at this university, all the graduating seniors wear the same blue and gold cap and gown. You'll also need to place your order for your cap and gown by the end of December. So remember the two important things if you want to graduate in June. Fill out the request to graduate form and order your cap and gown. Don't forget now.
Okay.
Number 43. What is the woman mainly discussing? Number 44. What must the students do with the request to graduate form? Number 45. What must the students order? Number 46. When must the students place their orders? Questions 47 through 50. Listen to a talk by a man who works with animals.
Today, dogs are being trained in a variety of ways. One way that dogs are being trained involves smell. For example, dogs are being trained to use their sense of smell to find missing persons, hidden drugs, or explosives such as dynamite. Dog trainers have found that almost all types of dogs have equally good senses of smell. Even though different types of dogs have equivalent senses of smell, they aren't equally good at different tasks. However, certain types of dogs are better at certain tasks because of other characteristics they have. For example, beagles are small and friendly, so they're often used at crowded airports to smell for illegal food products in luggage. German shepherds have quick reactions, so they're often used to smell for explosives, such as dynamite. Golden retrievers work well in the cold, so they're often used to find people lost in the snow.
Number 47. What is the topic of the passage? Number 48. What is true about the various types of dogs? Number 49. Why are German shepherds used to find explosives? Number 50. What are some dogs trained to find?
Yeay, oke. Jadi kita sudah selesai untuk listening comprehension ya. Jadi kita sudah selesai listening comprehension ya. Kita akan melanjutkan ke structure and written expression ya. Jadi ayo kita mulai untuk structure and written expression. Dinosaurs live on Earth. Ini adalah verbnya, ini adalah subjeknya. Ya. Ya kan? Oh ya. Early printers arranged type into arrange type into early printers arrange type into are tidak mungkin karena ini udah ada verbnya. Apa ya? Early printers arrange type into words small. The divided cochlea along most the cochlea is divided along most of yeast is an organic catalyst which it known ini verb new known gitu ya. Kalau verb 3 jadi bingung. Yeast is an organic catalyst which it known pakai it atau enggak ya? Which was known aduh susah juga ya. Which it known which was known. Kadang kan orang bilang which is gitu kan, berarti ini masa lampau, which was known gitu ya. Many communities many communities make use of a complex system. Many communities make use Many communities make use. Yang jelas make atau use. Make. Oh ya, use already made. Gitu nggak sih? Make use. Ibaratnya make ini verb. Use itu juga verb. Verb ketemu verb. B kayaknya. Gimana menurut kalian? Ya komentari aja kalau saya salah ya. The ear is a flexible organ. Oke. But it's simple. Hah? Pakai but kayaknya. Soalnya ini udah pas nih kan. Nah, ini but it. Jadi ini adalah subjek, was-nya jadi verb-nya. Oke, but it ya kayaknya. Chemist Vanessa Carter produce a plastic which he called itu aja lah. As a mollusk grows. Oke, ini grows berarti dia itu singular. Oke, a mollusk. Tidak perlu it lagi. Has. Nah, it. Nah, oke. The first shot. Tidak perlu pakai was karena was C sama D nggak mungkin. The first shot in the Civil War was fired. Oh ya, in. Oke. Stalactites are formed in caves by underground. In caves. Containing are formed in caves by kalau pakai it berarti harus ada konektor. Konektornya enggak by ya. Enggak, by ini enggak konektor. Stalactites are formed in caves by groundwater containing dissolved lime. Containing aja lah. Verb ing ya, verb ing tuh kan ibaratnya anak tirinya verb gitu kan. Dia udah ndak verb lagi, dia tuh adjektif jatuhnya ya. Gimana menurut kalian? Salah ndak saya? Jiran itu ya. By studying the movement of the sun and moon, and even early astronomers could predicting when. Oke, pakai verb ing karena ini udah ada verbnya. Could ini kan enggak, could nih model. Even astronomers could predict when predict ya. Coffee probably originally grew while in Ethiopia in the province of Cafe, and from there ada N di sini kan, and from there it was brought to southern Arabia. Coffee probably originally grew while in Ethiopia in the province of Cafe, and from there it was brought. Ya kayaknya ini ya. Alabama was occupied by the French and Spanish before. The French and before was occupied dah. Before it was ceded to England. Oke, it was ceded ya. Karena harus ada subject verb in. Oke. A group of winged reptiles Oke, ini dia pakai plural. Plural itu berarti tidak mungkin calls. A group of call live call Brachiosaurus is called, nggak mungkin, is believed. Tunggu. Aduh, ini apa sih? Call aja lah. Call atau call ya. A group of winged reptiles. Call Brachiosaurus. Oh ya, call. On November 27. Oke. Grant standard the confidence with that appearance to be what ada to be di sini, berarti udah ada verb seharusnya sebelum ini. Stand ada with konektor. Appearance aja lah, appear. Tunggu, to be. Kalau to be kayaknya tapi ini kata kerja, tapi ini masa lalu ya. Grant started the conference. Appearance saja lah. Vast flows of information. Vast flows of information. Oh, are ini seharusnya ya. The crafting of fine violence has been proceeding. Ini nak sih verb ing setelah been, seharusnya verb to nak sih, verb 3 nak sih. Has been proceeded ya, proceeding ya. Linguistic conflicts, kenapa pakai do? Conflicts divided aja gimana? Tapi D ini juga agak aneh. Linguistic conflicts due to divided ethnic and national loyalties. Oh ya, D kayaknya. In publication of her anti-slavery novel, Rocketed. Ini apa sih ya BBB ini? Apa sih ini? Ini with the publication of her anti-slavery novel. Famous kayaknya nggak ada masalah. Novel kayaknya nggak mungkin. Her. Oh, Rocketed kayaknya. Ini yang kayaknya mencurigakan. The smallest and simple living organism on Earth. Oke, ini plural berarti pakai are, betul. The smallest and simple living Tunggu dulu. Kayaknya R lah. Tapi saya nggak tahu di mana letak salahnya. So, simple living organisms nih aman sih. Oh, oke. Seharusnya is ya, karena dia bakterianya, ya bakteria memang organisms, dari segala organisms tuh cuma satu organisme yang paling kecil, yaitu bakteria. Berarti seharusnya is ya, satu. Oke. The effort to determine the exact numerical value of P has no reached to digitsnya aman. The effort to determine kayaknya ya, reached seharusnya ya, nggak tahu deh. The hammerhead shark is usual found in warm temperate water. Is usually found sih, usually found in warm Princeton University was founded in is one of the oldest university. Ini kan one, kenapa pakai plural? According to a World Research Institute report, a significant part of forest disappeared, nggak sih? Have been disappeared gitu, ya gitulah. Has been ya, had been, itulah has been kayaknya. The earth crust is composed of 15 plates which float on the partially below. Seharusnya pakai itu nak sih, apa namanya yang belakang itu kayak him, them, his, him, his, him, him, her, gitu-gitu nak sih. As one climbs, Oke, karena ini one, ini pakai s ya belakangnya. High up a mountain, the air becomes both colder and, seharusnya ndak kan, both berarti seharusnya dua, soalnya and, both colder and thinner gitu nggak sih? When a bone is broke into several pieces, doctor may pin the pieces together for proper healing. When a bone is broke into several pieces, doctor may pin the pieces together for proper healing. Broke. The long necks of much plant-eating dinosaurs ini bukannya bisa dihitung ya? Seharusnya pakai many ya. Were useful for reaching. Okay, much. Hippocrates believed that health depended on the balance of the four fluids of the body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oke, ada 2, 3, 4. Oke, 4. For fluids kayaknya tidak ada masalah. Believe tidak ada masalah. Nah, depend on the balance sebenarnya saya mungkin agak lemah di bagian preposisi ya. Kapan digunakan in, on, at gitu ya. It's little bit confusing for me. That health depended to, seharusnya to nggak sih? Itulah. A jet stream is a flat and narrow tube. Of air is a flat and narrow tube of air that moves more rapid than the surrounding air. Surrounding tidak ada masalah, more rapid juga tidak masalah, karena tidak mungkin dirubah jadi rapider kan. Lah ini a flat narrow tube. Nak tahu kalau ini era aja lah yang jawab nih. Because Miss Lawberries are poisonous. Okay, everyone with Christmas decorations. Tapi itu loh. Some containers Miss Law need to be aware danger. Containing need dangers, seharusnya enggak danger kayaknya ya. When Pierre L'Enfant designed the national capital in okay. Her, dia cewek ya, Pierre L'Enfant nih. Her envision ini a little bit confusing. Her, ini apa ya? When Pierre L'Enfant designed the national capital in 1791, her Pierre L'Enfant nih cewek cowok ya? Kok cewek? Tapi namanya cowok. Her aja lah. In a copperhead snake, the venom flows from a single venom gland to a pair of hollow teeth. Glands kayaknya. Nggak perlu pakai S nggak sih? A hawk swallows its food in large pieces. Digest some of it. Maksudnya apa sih nih? A hawk swallows its food in large pieces. Digest some of me ini agak aneh. Defects occur when liquid helium undergoing a phase transition from its normal to its superfluid phase. Mom undergoing oh iya, undergoing. Nggak perlu pakai in nggak sih? The earliest known artworks were done by cavemen. Oke, kalimatnya pasif. Which used a mixture of clay, chalk, done by cavemen. Chalk, apa yang salah dari chalk? Oke, nggak mungkin which, aman-aman aja. Done, oke, verb 3. Which kayaknya lah, nggak tahu ini apa. Variations in melody, rhythm, and tone of voice become a major feature of child speech towards the end of the first year. Melody, rhythm, and tone, voice becomes, karena tidak perlu pakai s. As a protective protein molecule, as a protective protein molecule, an antibody can combine with the water moccasin is a high venomous and extremely dangerous oh, seharusnya kalau ini memang pakai ly, ini seharusnya pakai ly juga ya. Soalnya li kayaknya extremely dangerous nih aman ya. High to aluminium is more common than iron. Aluminium is more common than iron. It is extremely difficult to break their hold on seharusnya though ini nggak perlu ada nggak sih? Oh ya, kayak even though aluminium is more common than iron, it is extremely difficult to break their hold on other atoms. Atom itu atomsnya pakai s, berarti pakai other, bukan another ya. Tunggu, apa beda other sama another? Tinggalkan di kolom komentar ya. Kayaknya another atom seharusnya ya. Wah, sudah selesai. Oke, kita lanjutkan untuk Oke, sudah selesai. Jadi silahkan kita lanjutkan untuk yang terakhir, yaitu reading comprehension. Oke, mari kita mulai reading comprehension ini. Oke. The tiniest bird in the world. Okay. The tiniest bird in the world is the male bee hummingbird because it is so small. Kayaknya kalau di teks akademik nggak mungkin sependek ini ya. The tiniest bird in the world is the male. Okay. Tiniest itu sama dengan smallest. Oh, helikopter nggak tuh? An insect. Flap. Flap. Flap tuh kayak move them up and down gitu nggak sih? How fast can a bee hummingbird flaps its wing? 80 times per second. 80 times per second. It means 80 times each second. Okay. Hover. Hover tuh mundur ya? Hah? Hover tuh apa ya? Oh, hover tuh stay in place in the air kayaknya enggak. Land. Bisa mendarat. Fly forward quickly, masalahnya kalau ditulis di sini nanti double jadinya ya. The passage indicates that a bee hummingbird can do all the following except fly backward, fly forward, fly a helicopter. Dia bukan kapten ya, masalahnya bukan pilot. One mystery, something unknown. People. Humans have heard a whole variety of sounds coming from elephants, but these sounds are not the only way. that elephants communicate. Okay. It can be inferred from the passage that the elephant sounds that humans hear are way method kayaknya. Vibrates air trunks pitch itu sama dengan voice atau sound ya? Low voice, extremely low voice, low voice, low pitch. Pitch itu voice kayaknya, enggak? Which of the following is not true? Human hear it, nggak bisa. Low rumblings. Line berapa ini? 1. Ini udah line 3. 1, 2. The sound that it creates during the vibration has extremely low pitch. The pitch in fact is so low. Trunks and forehead ini baris keberapa sih? Baris keempat ya? Baris keempat atau 5 sampai 6? Nggak jelas soalnya nih. The passage mainly discusses Burn. The Music Publishing District of New York. District berarti an area. He played popular music on the piano. Music was the only. Prior to before ya. During aja lah. Gershwin wrote the first jazz music. Link connection. Inventive. Native people, sensation, sensasi, feeling, taste, the feeling. What happened when Thomas Adams first tried selling his perasa, taste, very smart businessman. Rubber substitutes Adams. According to the passage, in the search for a rubber substitute, Adams, in his search for a rubber substitute, Adams in his search for a rubber substitute, in his search for a rubber substitute, kan yang ditanya search of rubber substitute, bukan, dia kan suksesnya chewing gum producer. Chicle is dead male nggak sih? Dia lebih membicarakan dead male. Dead male is a male that has been raped and thrown away. Bukan has no use, is unwanted Illegible is closest meaning to which of the following? Illegible. Illegible. Incomplete kayaknya. Atlanta, New York, Philadelphia, SL Paul, or San Francisco. 5 berarti. Atlanta, New York, Philadelphia, SL Paul, or San Francisco. 5 berarti 5. Staff, workers. Ini hari buruh nih. Sometimes mail, which nggak langsung dibuang lah di sini. Ya nggak dibuang, tapi digadai ya di auction gitu. An address. Money nak tuh. Visit kayaknya. Auction itu gadai. Sales kayaknya. Four times a year. Kenapa 4 times a year? Karena every 3 months. Kalau every 3 months, setiap 3 bulan, berarti kan 4 kali dalam setahun. Oke. Gampang sih soalnya, lebih gampang daripada yang saya kerjakan waktu di awal ya, yang edisi bulan April ya. Sekarang kan edisi bulan Mei. Ya mungkin gini ya, mungkin oh ya nantilah penjelasannya. Kita selesaikan dulu ini. Oke, itu dia. Ya, jadi kita sudah selesai. Terima kasih semuanya yang sudah menemani saya tes TOEFL untuk edisi May Day pada hari ini gitu ya. Jadi saya akan berusaha untuk membuatkan video seperti ini setiap bulan gitu ya. Karena Ya, apa ya? Saya juga mau sih bisa berbahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar gitu. Jadi makanya ya sambilan saya latihan gitu, dan saya latihan, kalian juga bisa melihat saya gitu dan bisa berkontribusi dengan cara mungkin kirim di kolom komentar apa yang kalian ketahui pada menit keberapa saya salah gitu ya. Oke, jadi itu saja. Terima kasih semuanya yang sudah menonton. Klik like kalau kalian suka, dan silahkan di-share kalau misalnya kalian merasa video ini bermanfaat. Terima kasih semuanya yang sudah mau menonton saya mengerjakan tes TOEFL. Dan mungkin teman-teman, mungkin saya tidak terlalu sarankan, karena gini, tampaknya TOEFL, soal TOEFL tadi itu terlalu gampang ya. Maksudnya itu bukan apa ya, saya juga nggak tahu berapa skor saya nanti. Cuma kayaknya ini bukan untuk yang academic module. Mungkin ini kayak lebih untuk yang workers kali ya. Jadi nampaknya tuh kayak mudah gitu. Jadi mungkin ini untuk pekerja-pekerja gitu. Pekerja-pekerja kan ngapain harus pakai academic module gitu kan, yang general aja aman gitu. Memang sih IELTS ya yang ada academic module sama general training. Cuma saya nggak tahu apakah TOEFL ini juga ada atau tidak. Nah, silakan aja lah tinggalkan di kolom komentar tentang yang kalian ketahui. Oke, terima kasih semuanya sudah menonton. Oke, sampai jumpa di tanggal merah berikutnya.